Dear children of class 4, today we will discuss about the culture of the states as discussed in chapter number 6, 7 and 8. 6th one is Omana's journey, 7th one is from the window and 8th one is reaching to grandmother's home. Now we will talk about the states which are discussed in these 3 chapters as per your NCERT syllabus. First one is capitals of these states. Gujarat's capital is Gandhinagar. We are starting from here as we know that Omana's train started from here. Then Maharashtra. Capital of Maharashtra is Mumbai. Then Goa is Panji. Then Karnataka, it is Bengaluru. And then finally she reached to Kerala. The capital of Kerala is Thiruvananthapuram. So, you have to fill the political map with these states and capitals only. Now you can see the map with the languages as spoken in our India, but you have to learn the languages which are spoken in the states which are discussed in these chapters, usually in Gujarat, Gujarati, Maharashtra, Marathi, Goa, Konkani, Karnataka, Kannada and Kerala, Malayalam. I have focused on these eastern states. You may learn for your extra knowledge. Now we will discuss about the clothing, the costumes wear in these states. You can see the chania choli, the men wearing the kidyu and dhoti in Gujarat. This one is Nawari, which is wear in Goa by women, and the men wear the kurta dhoti usually. This one is also the Nawari sari, which is wear in Maharashtra. You can see the sari which is wrapped in somewhat different manner, and the dhoti kurta is wear by the men. This one is Mysore silk sari, which is wear in Karnataka. You can see the long kurta, the dhoti or pajama also, they are wear in Karnataka. And the sari which is wrapped like this, that is called Davni. This one is the sari which is worn especially in Kerala. So usually women wear sari in Kerala and men wear dhoti kurta in Kerala. Now these are the dishes which are eaten in these states. This one is Khandvi, eaten in Gujarat. This one is Mallu pizza, or you can say the Uttapam in Kerala. This one is Puran Poli, which is special food of Maharashtra. This one is Mysore dosa, which is eaten in Karnataka. This one is fish curry eaten in Goa. So dear children, this is the culture which is of these states as per the syllabus. Learn them well. Thank you. Have a nice day.